guys. Happy Wednesday night. You know, cross arms. Major Mark, how are you? Major Mark Javier and Major Rinaldo Samson. Ring me. Major Rinaldo Samson, please call. Emergency. Ikaw hindi ka na tumatawag. Ikaw talaga. Malapit na tayong may evacuate dito. Hey. Medyo type mo to. Uy. Ayos ba? Lieutenant Edwin Beltran. Then mag-wish ka na kay Santa. Santa is only up few floors from you. Yun. Baka ihulog sa bintana lang eh. Ganyan to. Major Rinaldo. Ay, ganda ito. We'll put some tracer. Wait. Hindi natin kung bagas yan. Papi Poch, how are you? Enjoy the sun. Eat more, ano ha? More lechon. Be careful. Very hot down there. 47 degrees ba? You know. And of course, Santa, good evening. Santa Conrad. Outdoorzone.ie. Outdoorzone.ie. And to my inanak, Nino Rodriguez in Texas, US of A. Then bagay ito sa iyo, sa may wall mo. No? Kaya lang baka mahal yung magpadala nito eh. Wait. Tignan natin, hindi magkasya. Ayun! Kasya yung tracer. May tracer yan dito, may tracer yan. Ganda! Honey Badger on the thing. The best! The best! Hayaan mo din. Mag-wish ka man kay Santa. Baka mapadala yung Santa dyan eh. Alam mo naman mga Rangers si Santa eh. Worldwide yan. Ito baka ito pwede din. Ang sarap nito. Ganda nito sa wall mo. Oh, pwede ito lagyan ng tracer. Yun. The best. Yun lang yan. The best. Guapo. Handsome. The best. So guys, the God Santa is watching. Kaya clap lang. Katulad din ng music ko. You know, the best. The best. So guys, good night. Santa Conrad. See you soon. Good night guys.